sick cave full of bait. That's a cracker trout.
You ripper.
Oh, bro. Oh, we've got a bit of go in him, so. Chili, wasabi, Kewpie, salt, pepper.
So good.
Welcome back to a brand new video. We're finally back out on the boat at the reef. I've got the boys with me. We got 3 days out here, 2 nights, and we haven't brought a lot of food, so we want to get some fish in the esky. We got the guns. We've actually rigged up some rods, some jigs. We've got some lures, and it's been quite rough. We actually punched out here. Well, we left at 6 and it's nearly 10, so a few hours steaming out here through some rough chop, but we caught a few fish. I got a long-tailed tuna.
YouTube drag, mate.
That was an instant hookup.
Yeah.
On the 20 gram.
Oi, I think I just got that, eh?
Oh, that actually hurts so bad. Oh, he's still got a bit of go in him, so.
Oh, he's gone. Bang.
Yeah. The plan is we're here to shoot fish, camp out here in the boat. So this will be the first time 3 of us are in the boat, and we're going to be celebrating a big milestone, guys. If you've noticed, the channel has finally surpassed 2 million subscribers. So this video is a bit of a celebration. I've got Jed and Leith. They're high-fiving. There's a fish. Looks like we got our second fish in the boat, and we barely even turned these cameras on.
No fins. Nothing. Ow!
Oh, right. That is
Like a 55 centimeter.
haven't even got in the water yet. Look at that trout in the lagoon. We don't even need to go out. We're sorted. This thing's gonna take up a bloody quarter of the esky. Right, there's obviously good fish in the area here, so decided to all jump in, have a look around, and maybe get another trout or 2 in the esky.
Where I shot mine.
This spot is psycho. I just wanted to get one in the esky. That's awesome. Less than 2 minutes in the water. Beautiful common trout. I couldn't help myself. Nowhere near the size of Jed's, but damn, that's a cracker trout. Beautiful eating. Woo! We had a look around. It was pretty quiet after that trout I shot, so this is the one we got on the lure. Oh,
Wait, yeah?
yeah.
That is trout.
Trouty. That's it.
38?
I reckon he'd go 30.
Yeah,
I reckon
it
he's
is.
legal. That's gonna be perfect. We can even
Oh my God.
Great escape.
That's the one.
Diving minnow, I think, from Molossi. Smashed it. There we go. Simple seafood. Hook in, boys. Wasabi, soy. Cheers. Mmm. I think we're gonna need that other fillet. We're cruising back out. We're gonna suss some spots. We're gonna have one in the boat, 2 divers, and hit something a bit deeper. Hopefully some isolated bombies, and just put a few more fish in the esky.
Promise some fish to a lot of people.
So Jed's up first and he makes a drop on this bommy here. The water's nice and clean and there's a fair few fish species getting around, so he just takes it slow, comes down, and to his right he notices a few small coral trout coming out from under the ledge, so it's fishy for sure. He lines up one of those trout, but they're not huge, so he just holds back, doesn't want to spook the spot just yet, so kicks back up. And it's my turn for a drop. I come down on the same spot and I see a bit of a nicer trout, so I kick after him, line him up and let a shot go. Completely missed him, but there's still a few fish getting around, so back up to the surface. Jed makes another drop, and this fish right here is known as a black wrasse. Really good eating fish, so he lines it up, takes a shot. He misses his fish as well. The boys are not shooting straight right now.
Huge black wrasse down there.
The boys are missing. Blue water syndrome.
I jump back in the boat for a minute to sort my weight belt, and Jed found another black wrasse, so he puts a shot on this one. Just nicks it on the head, but unfortunately tears off right there. And as you can see, as he's pulling his spear up, he looks to his right and two big bull sharks come charging in, so back up to the surface, time to move spot I think. I've just jumped in his boatie and the boys, both guns have been pulled. What's going on here?
My GoPro wasn't filming. Yeah. Lee put a second shot in for me. Ready? A shot? Number two. Number two.
Jed is on fire. They're all common trouts. Look at that fish. That's beauty. Might be close to his other one.
Yeah, boy. Oh, first fish on the right. Just another humble trouty. It's been a bit slow going since our first drop in, so thought I'd add one to the esky.
Oh. Got myself a wooden spear going to Rife, 120 euro, and I got the first trout on this one, so pretty stoked. Keen to use this a bit more throughout the trips, and then I'm also running my 110 tuna from Adreno, which is an awesome gun. So these are the two guns of choice, but good to get a fish finally on the Rife. It was a birthday present to myself end of last year. We finally got a fish on it. That's how bad the weather's been, so it's good to be out here. Right, we're back in Anchorage. We've just been sorting out the boat. You can probably hear, because I don't have the mic on, there's a bit of breeze coming in that is hopefully going to drop off the Sarv, or during the night actually. But moved most of the gear up the front, anchor's set. Decided to dive without the wetty bottom and got scorched, so I'm getting in. Oh, the boat looks so good.
Look better.
Look at this thing. Oh, some solid trouties.
No, one's mine.
Oh, the second one's bigger. And we've got some ingredients to do wraps or poke bowls or whatever, but we just want to get through some of this trout because the esky's filling up already day one. So let's knock both slabs off and cook this up.
flour, salt, pepper, King's curry powder.
Essentials.
Fish only diet.
Solid fillets, mate. You ripper.
That's it.
Simple, and we're gonna wait till sunset. I reckon we'll get it on the burner, but we're just prepping it now. We're just cutting up bite-sized pieces. A bit bigger than bite-sized pieces.
Oh, when Jen says yay big, I mean like yay big could be like this big, bro.
No, I wasn't. You're doing great. No, that's perfect. That's fine. That's sweet as.
Oh,
right. Maybe the rum on the rocks was not a good idea. Dab them off, dry them up a little bit before we chuck them in the flour. That's probably going to be heaps, eh?
I'm so hungry.
Ooh, sacrilegious.
There we go. Bag full of trout.
Just like that.
Let that
Just shake that up again, and you let it sit, and then that flour kind of binds to the fish a bit more as well.
Yep.
And it like kind of gunks up a bit more on it.
Yeah.
And then when you fry it off, it gives it a bit of a better crust. Uh-oh. I'm gonna blow out on oil 3.
Did it go on? I saw the pop of flour. Before we start the cook up, I'll whack the clears on, which will stop a bit of the wind, and we're gonna have to probably set up down here. Cause yeah, it's a bit breezy. Ooh. Never seen the boys so tidy because they're sleeping right here. I'm gonna be up in the front, and we've got a lot of gear here at the moment, but new upholstery, and I can fully sleep up in the cabin here. The boys are gonna be sharing a double mattress on the deck there, so that's gonna be the setup, and we'll get them cooking right on sunset as usual. Beauty. All right. Chef Jetty is back. Back.
Like me.
Chef Weasel.
You gotta earn that, mate. That chef title has to be earned. That's been sitting for a little while, looking good. Right, teamwork.
Yeah, dude, that's
Yeah,
good.
ready? Oh yeah.
Oh, did he get a plate?
Already sorted.
Oh, he's already on with it.
It's like he's done this before.
He's done it before.
I'm trained you will.
Alright, we'll do a taste test without. Cheers, boys.
Nothing to say, mate.
Oh my god.
I reckon tonight or today's converted me with wasabi.
And the curry powder.
Like I've never been big into it, eh? But it's not like a harsh one. It's
No.
I don't know if it's just the brand or I'm coming around to it, but it's it's good. So that's the last of the trouty. The boys are loving the Kewpie and wasabi combo, so got a bit of salt and pepper too. Someone's gonna
Clear your sinus. I'm going to be diving either really well or really badly tomorrow.
You doing it?
Yeah.
I'll film you. Let me put a bit of pepper.
Pepper's gonna make it even better. Look how much pepper's on there now.
It's the same one.
It's so hot as well.
Oh.
Boiling hot.
Boiling hot. Wasabi filled, pepper filled. Well,
What's some more fucking...
happy Monday.
Some more Kewpie.
Oh, pepper.
Wasn't even the wasabi. Boys are set up. We just laid a bottom layer down, blow up mattress on top. All right, we're gonna cut the lights. We'll see you in the morning. Hopefully, we're praying that wind's just backed right off, and we've got, a good day ahead. But either way, we'll make do with what we got. But fingers crossed. See you boys in the morning. Lights are going off. Sayers. Boys are still sleeping down there, but just jumped up on the roof. Sun's coming up, still a bit windy, but definitely better than last night. That's good. How'd you go?
Good. It's unreal, eh?
Yep.
You guys shut up. I want a few more hours.
Sun's about to come up. I'm gonna make a bit of a plan, decide what we want to do, but I reckon it's a little bit nicer, eh? Yeah. Still in the lagoon though, we'll get out. We're off, going for an early morning dive. Right, I'm Bodie first. Diving the same spot we were looking at yesterday, just for a little morning dive before we move spots. We got a good 40 minute to an hour steam to the next place we're gonna camp tonight, which has an island and everything, but thought we'd try our luck here. Get a few more fish in the esky. Oh yeah, baraka fish. Nice.
Pretty small from the top.
Look at the viz. Just moved spot, dropped the boys in again. Jed's seen a trout already, he's just jumped in. Look at that water. Sun's not even up yet.
Nice trout. The tail on a bit.
Oh yes. It's time to burn some fuel and head to the next spot, I reckon. Oh, doubles! Doubles! Oh, look at the bait!
That's sticky, bro.
What do you got? The slug? Oh, doubles!
Dude, they're all around the boat. They're winch tangled.
Oh. Oh, yes?
Oh, that's your valley, bro.
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. How do we manage this? Jed's still on.
Oh, what is this? Dude, a squid.
Oh! Oh, what is this? Bro.
Oh, bro. Are you shitting?
Oh! Drop it!
Oh, the boat, bro! You're kidding. Oh,
Oh, they're the squidging. Oh,
are you on?
oh yeah, sharks.
I'm gonna drop this. That's good. At the boat. Look at that, bro, on the sticky. Look at that, bro, on the sticky.
Look at that.
You almost say we're fishermen.
We're goddamn fishing.
Every lure on the sinking stick bait. Oh, we've made it to where we're going to pull up tonight. It's the boys' first time here, so we're going to go explore while the wind's still down. We're going to check this spot out because it's awesome, and then we'll make a plan and probably get back in the water this half. But this is the channel into the lagoon here. Look at the water. Bommy ahead.
So, I've got a black wrasse here that I'm keen to make some ceviche out of. Oh, if I can get him out.
Look at that.
Son, look at his tail. It's so cool.
Cool looking fish. Chompers on him.
You get rib cage on these guys.
Right, we're just gonna go some cherry tomatoes, red onion, and lemon and fish to start with, and then we'll add in, we've got a cucumber, we do have avocado, and then just on crackers, I think. There we go.
It's already starting to go on the sides, but we'll leave that.
Awesome.
And then crackers and ceviche soon.
That's the stuff.
Nice, cheers. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. him! Dude, he went for the 360. That's gonna be psycho.
Man, I haven't swum with a tiger shark for ages, it feels like. That was awesome. He just came straight into the boat and just circled. We all got in. The boys are actually still swimming over there. They got their guns. Gonna try and get an extra feed for tonight. But God, I love big tiger sharks. I absolutely love them. Awesome to swim with them. No fins, no nothing. We just jumped straight in. And hopefully that footage looks good. And while I've got you alone, guys, I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to each and every single one of you guys, past and recent, that have subscribed to the channel. Over 10 years on YouTube. I was 15, 16 when I picked up a camera. I'm 26 now. And we've been making videos for a long time. You've watched me grow up, and a lot of you are new as well. And just joined the channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you for helping me tick off that milestone that just seemed impossible, but it was a goal of mine, and we've done it. 2 million subscribers. It doesn't even feel real. So excited for what's to come. I'm only just getting started. I've been growing up, learning fishing, diving. All the things I'm doing is self-taught. So the adventures aren't stopping. They're gonna be bigger, better, and I cannot wait to bring more content for you guys over the next few years, and hopefully many more years to come. Absolutely grateful. So keen to be out here with the boys, diving, celebrating that milestone. It's really awesome. So thank you. Just doing a simple cook up again tonight, getting through some of this fish.
Oh, solid, bro. I didn't hear the drag on. Did it run?
The rod just had a hit. Almost all gone. Chili, wasabi, Kewpie, salt, pepper.
So good.
Boys are stoked.
So good.
And we'll let you know if that rod goes. So hopefully,
Big long.
yeah.
Or a squid. Another squid.
Squid jig's out, and then we got squid heads on that jig head. So we'll keep you posted. This morning's looking awesome, super flat, so I'm gonna get the drone up and have a look. We know there's some big tiger sharks hanging around. I wouldn't mind getting it on the drone, so we'll have a look, have a bit of brekkie, and then get into some diving. It's looking so good. Yup. Oh yeah.
He wants it. Take it, you bastard.
Such a nice morning. Lassie.
Wiping out up forever.
Boys are in. Should get a few fish coming in this morning. About damn time. First trout. Look at the viz. Awesome.
Perfect little. We can either keep him whole or still take the fillets off.
Well, it's the first trout in the boat this morning. It's been quiet, the boys reckon. So we'll just keep working around this area and hopefully a couple more like that come in. be fun. Did you get my 110, dude? My 110. Shaft got stuck and it got sharked. Safety was odd. It was a shocker.
Bit all over the place, but
Alright, sort it. Cheers. Dude, there's a real big trout sitting in that cave. Yeah, I did like the bark this spot, it was sick. That was probably the smallest one out of all of them. It's just a little bit deeper, but sick cave, full of bait, just trout everywhere. It's just like the current's running, so it's hard to breathe up.
Sick, bro.
Just packing up the boat now. We've filled the esky with trout. We're gonna take that home, give a few fillets out, but that was the idea. Wanted to come out here and just stack the esky. So it's been an awesome mission. We got the big run back. Boat went awesome, 3 people camping on here. It was pretty cruisy, so definitely more missions to come out here. But yeah, like I said, before that wind picks up, we'll just start making our way back to the ramp. That's all she wrote. Oh, maintenance required. Nah, we're good. That's just a service. Service is due. 50 hours on the Yami already.